What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog I'm going to be tinting my rear lights. Comes with a crazy design. It's going to look really cool, and yeah, I'll put everything in the link in the description of where I got all my products. But I'm excited, and I'm excited to start, and hopefully it's not too hard because this is my first time ever tinting anything, so wish me luck. Let's get it. So the products I purchased, I already opened everything out of the box, but I bought window. This is like the tint pretty much. I purchased this little squeegee thing. I got this off of Amazon. It was like $5. The company did send me this one with the vinyl decal I bought, but this one's better. So I'll not be using that one. And here is the rear tinting I got. Let me unravel it for you guys. It came with directions too, so I'm gonna follow that. Ooh, it even came with a nice little towel. I already have one, but hey, more towels for me. I know it looks like all over the place right now, guys, but the arrows, the red arrows, I'm not gonna put on my car. Everything else I am, but you guys are probably like, what the heck, what is this? I'll show you guys. It's gonna look really dope at the end, but hopefully it does come out really good. Like I said, this is my first time doing window tinting, and yeah, so stuff I'm gonna need, obviously the tints. I bought this off of Amazon. This is a heater gun, and this was only about, this was really cheap actually. It was like $15–18. Got this off of Amazon. Obviously got my towel and got my water, just to wipe down the surface of the lights just before I put the stickers on and everything. So but yeah, so let's get right into it. Before I do anything, I'm gonna get my towel, just spray the surface of the rear lights, make sure it's clean, make sure it's spotless. This is glass cleaner Windex. I don't know if you should put this on. I'm gonna put this on just because I usually do, and it makes it look really shiny and clean, so I'm gonna do that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, time lapse, roll out. Alright guys, so I got the surface of the lights cleaned up, and now, honestly, let's just get right into it. I'm gonna first start off with the center and just make my way to the right and then the left. So let's get it. Most of this video is gonna be time lapse, so let's get it. And again, wish me luck. Hopefully, I just want it to come out good. So let's get it.
Understanding all these cons, you gotta meditate. Follow your dreams, follow your path, fuck this contemplate. Random thoughts, open thinking, got you staying late. Working hard, putting days, and they still be fake. Different page, different lanes, got you all mistake. Switching up, different vibe, got me off a straight. Knowing well I got no time for debate. But they still showing up, asking what you make. And I still showing up like, baby, what you made. Enterprise suites, got you feeling types of ways. 808 beats slapping in the pouring rain. 750 Li in the turbo lane. Turbulence in the sky on these cloudy days. Asking you if you go ride when we go Mayday. When the time comes, are you ready for the honest days? When the time comes, are you ready for the holidays? Now we coasting on this road up in Malibu. Feel the ocean breeze taking in the sunset view. To make it better, let's roll this weed up and smoke a few. To change the weather, it's possible, all you need is true. 5% limo tint, that go change your mood. That's like my mind on the daily, you never see right through. All these rules make these fools, man, fuck them tools. Forget about college degrees, I can buy you fancy jewels. But then again, everything comes just from perspective views. And then again, all these lessons learned is like how you lose. It comes with sense of direction, just know you gotta choose. All the sin in this world, girl, you gotta choose. Turbulence in the sky on these cloudy days. Asking you if you go ride when we go Mayday. When the time comes, are you ready for the honest days? When the time comes, are you ready for the holidays?
Alright guys, officially done with the whole process. It took me about 45 minutes to an hour. I had a lot of redos I had to do. I had to take the vinyl off, put it back on again, realign. As you seen, the light just went off, kept having to unlock it. Definitely, there's a lot of stuff I'm gonna do differently if I were to do that again. So learn from my mistakes, but let's talk about the end result. End result, I love it, guys. Like, I really love it. For my first time doing it myself, I could definitely, I definitely like it a lot. So this is what it looks like. And it's not even nighttime yet, guys. Like, it's daytime in my garage. Yeah, that's how it looks like. I think I did a good job. I'm liking this little futuristic style. Easy instructions were provided. If not, there's also a YouTube video I followed which made it a little easier. But yeah, that's the finished project, man. It's my dog Dakota. But yeah, I really liking it a lot. Liking the style, liking the progress I'm making on my car, and overall, yeah, I'm liking everything. So that was this vlog. I'll be sure to put all the links in the descriptions of where I got the materials and supplies at. So definitely check the links down below. And other than that, yeah, easy process. Again, it's my first time doing it, and I think it came out pretty good. If I can do it, you guys can definitely do it. I'll definitely give it a try than paying someone else to do it. You know, definitely save a lot of money. But yeah, overall, good experience. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. Turn on notification bells, and I'll probably see you guys next week. I'm gonna definitely add something else to this car. So until then, peace out. Stay up, guys. Bye.